Hello, Lisa here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a bit of a departure from my normal kind of videos. So Peggy finally took me to Build-A-Bear. For those of you that are not in the loop, last week on Self-Worth Saturday when we were talking about nurturing your inner child, Peggy was very gently reminded by the viewers in the live chat that she had not yet taken me. So we actually, I think, did it that day, maybe a little bit later in the week. I'm trying to remember now. But we did bring the camera along and Peggy took a little bit of footage here and there and we took some photos. So I thought I would share that with you guys. Be forewarned. Peggy is not used to doing the camera thing and it moves around a lot. So like, you know, if you get dizzy looking at raw footage, then maybe don't watch this one, but otherwise you should be good to go. There's a lot of silliness and I hope you guys enjoy it, so here we go.
So I'm doing it right? Am I doing it right? Am I doing
recording
it
now?
Apparently. Oh my god, I'm like all the way back here just to get okay.
This is what happens when Peggy has the camera.
Ooh, where are we? We're at Build-A-Bear. There.
Build-A-Bear.
I kept my promise.
You did.
Okay, we're
but
taking.
I'm not actually holding a Build-A-Bear yet, so did you keep your promise?
Do you want me to keep my promise?
Yes.
Do you love me?
I do. Happy anniversary.
Let the ass kissing begin if you want that bear, right?
That's right.
Okay.
Here's the thing. We have baby Nala.
Uh-huh.
And we have baby Simba.
Uh-huh.
And I feel like they're a set. No, actually though. Like look at those faces. Would you want to part them? Look at how cute they are.
But you would break the space-time continuum.
No, how?
Baby Nala and adult Nala.
No, this is baby Nala and baby Simba.
Oh, baby Simba.
See?
Okay, so now you're doing dirty things with Build-A-Bears.
No, there was nose kisses. Those are totally innocent. He's in onesie jammies.
Uh-huh.
And she's in a tutu.
Uh-huh.
I feel like...
How much money do you have?
What?
How much money do you have?
Happy anniversary! And then we had like the hands.
Is that what you're gonna do to me today?
The camera to get your face. and then of course.
So basically, we're coming out for a Build-A-Bear, and you're gonna come back with a set.
I'd like to point out that little baby Simba and little baby Nala together are much cheaper than grown-up Nala and grown-up Simba. Jammies.
Uh-huh. We're back to again.
There's a t-shirt that says the circle of life.
That's a minute. There we go. I'm just letting it do everything auto because I don't know how to use this camera. Okay.
Did you take a picture or are you videoing?
I think I'm videoing. Hi, so what have you agreed on?
I was suggesting.
You were suggesting.
We could go baby Nala, baby Simba, adorable Timon.
Little adorable Timon.
And maybe his friend Pumbaa.
Oh, and now we've upped Andy to Pumbaa.
They're a family.
We started this day with, I would like to get one new bear.
Well, see, the thing is, none of them are bears, so I'm not wrong. I didn't lie.
Oh my God, you're negotiating so badly right now. So very badly.
Together. Look at Pumbaa with Timon. Look at.
Christmas is coming up.
Christmas is in December.
Oh, you can wait.
What?
You can wait.
What?
What? You can wait.
I don't understand.
Yeah, I know you don't understand. This is why you don't shop with your inner child when your inner child has a credit card.
I have your credit card.
Oh damn.
And did you want any sounds in either of them?
And Lisa is getting her bears.
Okay, go ahead and step on that.
Ooh, she stepped on it. Hey! Your eyes are so big.
You're like, hey.
You're probably one of the oldest kids in here getting a toy today.
Per usual.
This is not my camera, you can tell. That's okay. You're getting your Build-A-Bear.
The most important part. And we didn't have to separate Simba and Nala.
Go ahead and rub it in between your hands. And clap. And rub it on your head. And rub it on your nose. And rub it on your cheeks. It's always nice and happy. And rub it on your head. Close your
you can fluff them with the brush, but
They're good. They're pretty fluffy already. She's got ear hair. Look.
she's got ear hair.
Yeah. Oh, I found some errant fluff. I have to fix that at home. Okay.
For a minute, I thought you were gonna give her a pretend shower and everything.
No. There we go.
I'm just teasing.
There, they've been fluffed.
Well, I always tease you, so nobody's surprised at that anyway.
Okay, now we need to look at outfits. That lip,
I asked you like 5 you said, no, I don't think I want
that
outfits
look
for
of
them this
betrayal
time.
is the whole reason I just.
The look of betrayal, yeah. Uh-huh.